NeatoD7 was doing this, it would run out of battery and not finish a room, and it didn't even have enough battery charge to get it back to the docking base. Kind of got scratched up under some furniture there. It does tell us that we need to replace the filter 1 to 2 months and replace the brush 6 to 8 months and replace the battery 1 to 2 years. Since I've had mine since December 2018, I guess I've gotten more than my fair share use out of this battery. The replacement battery comes very plainly packaged.
Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I will provide a link for you to purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch.
It has instructions that looks German and English. Very tightly packed on the bubble wrap. So this one comes with a little easy pull tab to help you pull the battery out of the device, simpler than what you saw me try to do. Everything looks the same. We'll plug it in and see if it charges up. Let's see if this battery will come out. Okay, here we go. Looks like it has just a little plug-in. I just got through vacuuming, so it's dirty. I probably don't need to be pulling on the wires here. Don't really see a better way to get it out. Thanks, Neato. Definitely not an easy retrieval. They don't tell you how to remove the battery. Dang. I hope the other one's easier to put in, and I hope I didn't damage the little portals in there. This is the battery that I removed. I'm gonna order a new one on Amazon and see if I can replace it. These are two very handy items to have around the house. I'll link these in the text below. This is the other one. They are very helpful to me. So I pinched it on this part. It was a little bit easier to pull out this time. So this is the old battery. And this is the replacement battery. So this is supposed to like help you pull it out. Both at the ends look similar. Don't really know how to show this without the light getting in the way. I'm struggling, to be honest. My hair, my light, my fingers, everything's in the way. I guess it's in. No, it is not. Just can't get the slot situated where it's helpful. That was not fun. That was not easy. I don't have any tricks to show you of how to get it in. I don't even know if it is in. There's no satisfying click to let me know that it's where it's supposed to be. It doesn't feel like it's suited very well down in there. That part works great, but it's very aggravating. People who do engineering for stuff like this, you really think about, like, you know, regular people, like trying to get things to work. And I don't know if this is going to fit or not. I've had not a great day, and this has been not helpful to me. Oh, if it doesn't work, I'm going to give you a very bad review. Send you back. It's not in there at all, but it's all it will do. I'll go for attempt 1, see what happens. Let's try this again. It's not nearly as easy as the guy made it look like on the product video. Took the battery out and had to put it back in again. And then I got these box cutters and just kind of mashed on the wires with that in so it would go down in there. See if it's charging. So far it's not. I see the charge light coming up. Give it a moment, see if it's got a pair or something. You wanted to reconnect and the light's not flashing that it's charging, it's flashing, or it's just solid red that it's dead. So I'm going to give it a little while, give it a chance to start charging, but if it doesn't, it's going back.
Very frustrating, so I wrote a review on Amazon about this battery. It simply didn't work. It just never charged in my NeatoD7. The seller responded and asked me to give them another chance, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'll look for another solution.
After all of that frustration, the battery ended up not working. I tried for several days and it wouldn't charge, it just wouldn't do anything. I returned the battery and gave it this review. Simply did not work. The battery never charged in my NeatoD7. I removed and replaced it several times. My NeatoD7 would not recognize the battery. Useless. Wasted my time. I put the old battery back in my NeatoD7 and it immediately began charging. Something is better than nothing.
I put the old battery back in, so at least I would have some operation, and taking that as a positive sign that I did not tear up the connectors, removing the old battery and putting it back in. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Remember, you can check in the text below for a link on how you can buy this item or one similar. Again, thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel or a playlist that suits your needs. Until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.